Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to download and install HP LaserJet 1536 DNF MFP printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar, and here please type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear. And once it's here, please click on the open option to continue. So here at the Google Chrome browser, we just have to wait until the loading process would be finished before we proceed. And once it is being ready, please type for HP LaserJet space 1536 space DNF space MFP. Once you've typed that, please click on enter so that you would be redirected to the result. So you would be able to see this. Please click on it. And the moment you do that, we just have to wait until this would be appearing, which is the HP LaserJet DNF and MFP, which is the multi-function printer. So here, you need to scroll down. Okay, please scroll down. Okay. And you need to select with the software and drivers. The moment you do it, this would appear. All you need to do is you need to scroll down and eventually you would be able to see driver product installation software. So all you need to do is you need to click on this download I option aligning to it so that you can now start on the downloading process. So you just have to navigate to the upper right side of the screen. You can see there a download icon. Please click on it to keep on track on the download progress. So we just have to wait until this will be finished before we can proceed. Once it is being downloaded, click this folder icon to show it in folder. Okay, so once you are being navigated here, all you need to do is you need to click on this cut or scissor icon, close the window as well as this, and here please do a right click and then click on the paste icon. Once you have moved it here at the desktop, you need to proceed on the extraction of this file. So by that, please do a right click, okay, and you need to scroll down and go with this one, go with extract to. And the moment you do that, it will now begin on the extraction of this file. We just have to wait until this process will be finished. Once the new file is being created, meaning we have successfully extracted it, then we need to proceed at the start icon. Please do a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows and I key together in the keyboard, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. So we just have to wait until this would be ready, and once it is being set, please proceed at the left side of that. You can see there Bluetooth and devices. Please click on it, scroll down and go with devices. And here at the devices settings, you need to scroll down as well and locate for this option called more devices and printer settings. So bring it up by tapping on it. So you would be able to open these devices and printers where you can see all of the devices, and that includes on your printers. And since the target of this video is to install the HP LaserJet 1536 DNF, then we need to proceed with this add the printer. Please click on it. And the moment you do that, this window would show up. So please click on the bottom option, which is the printer that I want isn't listed. And please select on add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Go with next. And from here, click this down arrow and use among of this, choose among of this three USB port. It could be USB 001, 002, or 003. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. So please click on next once again and go with have disk and go with browse. So once you have opened up this window, proceed to desktop. Please scroll down and locate with this one. So double tap to it, and from here you would be able to see all of these files where here you need to choose among of this one. Okay, so choose one among of this. So in my case, I'll be using this one. Go with open, go with okay. So eventually it will show up here. So we just have to click on next, and you can rename that into HP LaserJet 1536. Now click on next, and it will now start on the installation. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can continue in the installation. Once you're done, this would appear where you can allow the printer sharing. If you would like to allow printer sharing, turn this on. And if you don't want it, turn this on to do not share this printer. So in my case, I'll be allowing printer sharing. So that's why I'm turning this on. Click on next. And if you would like to set it as your default printer, you can check the box. In my case, I'll leave that unchecked because I don't want it to set as my default printer. So go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet M1536, the multifunction printer in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you can now close the window as well as this, and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.